Hey all, this video is going to be a little shorter than most of the ones I've been doing recently. I have been putting out a lot of content and informative based work lately, but today I'm going to be giving a rant. I mean, I suppose that technically this could be considered more of a philosophical musing, but it is one that agitates me, so I'm going to classify it as a rant. Today's topic is the word outspoken and how intensely misleading it can be. So, I was at leadership camp about a month ago. It was a great camp, wonderful experience. It was called Mount Adams Leadership Camp. It was in Randall, Washington. And while we were there, we took this personality quiz to kind of analyze what kind of role we partake in when we're in groups. And the way that the quiz worked was each question would give you 4 adjectives, and you would rank them from 1 to 4 in terms of how much they describe you, how well they describe you. And while I was taking this quiz, I came across the word outspoken. Now, I thought I knew what the word outspoken meant, so I didn't really feel the need to look at the definition, but I wasn't entirely sure, so I did take a look, and it turned out that the word meant the exact opposite of what I had expected it to mean. So, when I thought about the word outspoken, I compared it to the word outperformed. I thought, well, if I use outperformed in a sentence, John outperformed Kelly. That means that John did a better job at performing than Kelly. So, if Kelly was outspoken at a debate contest, don't you think that would mean that she didn't speak very well or very much? And yet, it turns out that someone who is outspoken is instead someone who speaks out often. And yeah, I will concede that etymologically it does make sense, but it was still rather misleading, and I was certainly shocked to hear about that. I understand why so many people say that English is the hardest language to learn, or one of the hardest, because there are just so many things that you would think would be patterns that turn out not to be. I feel that ideas are put forth for no other purpose than to be examined and questioned and reassessed. So I would love to hear your thoughts on the word outspoken and whether you have encountered this same problem, either with outspoken itself or just in general in the English language. As usual, if you liked this video, please like it with the like button, and thank you for your time.